story. Back in the year of 1903, Joe Soss was walking on deck at sea when a hinge on a hatch attached to the floor caused him to trip and fall to the floor.
So he designed a hinge in a much better way that, unlike the others, stays out of the way.
When it comes to hinges, Soss is for me the original invisible since 1903.
He called his new hinge invisible. The risk for injury was now nil. And unlike butt hinges that have a pin, our Soss hinge stays hidden so they can't break in.
It's a breakthrough!
They raved.
First of its kind.
They praised Joe Soss and his great design. You should see falling water, it's quite a sight, because Soss was used by Frank Lloyd Wright.
When it comes to hinges, Soss is for me the original invisible since 1903.
The eyesore of butt hinges sure is a mess. That's why all folks say Soss is the best. They're switching to Soss, the hinge that is key.
The original invisible since 1903.
Soss gets installed all across the land, from the White House to my house to the MGM Grand. In homes and houses from New York to Dallas, from Singapore to London's great Buckingham Palace.
When it comes to hinges, Soss is for me the original invisible since 1903. To the others we say, go get lost, 'cause when it comes to hinges, Soss is the boss.
Soss is the boss when it comes to hinges.